Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are not going to do any cooking, no recipe, but I'm going to share some tips with you how I store my curry leaves. Curry leaves are integral part of Indian cooking, especially South Indian dishes. We need curry leaves for almost all the dishes. So we need ways and means of storing them, because especially in monsoon what we get is all wet, full of moisture. They tend to spoil very fast. So we should know how to store some for a rainy day. So let's proceed to see how to store them. If you have any tips, do share them with me also in the description box. So let's go and see how I do it.
How to store the curry leaves. Here we have the sprigs of curry leaves. I've cut them out from the thick stem. Now in a large bowl, we'll pour sufficient water, enough to cover all these sprigs. Now add the veggie wash, about 1 teaspoon. Give it a nice mix and put all the curry leaves. Immerse them well in the water. Set them aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove them from this water. Now we are going to change the water a couple of times and wash them clean. Until they are very clean, you keep washing 2 or 3 times. Second time you don't have to add veggie wash, only first time when we soak the leaves. Finally, in the clean water, wash them, picking out all the black leaves or dead leaves. Now in another tray, spread a nice clean napkin and spread out all these washed sprigs of curry leaves. Using a dry napkin, wipe out all the moisture from them as much as possible. Now this we are going to place on the windowsill in summer. If it is monsoon, you can place it under the fan for a few hours. This will remove all the remaining moisture from the leaves. Now once that is done, we are going to wrap them up in the kitchen tissues for storing in the refrigerator. This way, you roll about 6 of them in each sheet. Place 2 first, roll it again, place 2 more, and finally the third bag. This is the way I store them. Once they are done, put them in the Ziploc bag. Now this goes into the refrigerator. It stays good up to 10 or 12 days, even more sometimes, depending on how fresh the curry leaves are. If they are tender and fresh, they go for 2 weeks also. So remove the air from the Ziploc bag by pressing it. Now it's ready to be refrigerated. Now some of them, after washing, I will dry in the microwave. This is for emergency use. This is how I do it. Place paper, double paper in the microwave safe plate. Spread them out. Place it in the microwave and dry them for 1 minute first. We will check it out afterwards, and if required, half a minute more. These can be used for emergency, like when we don't have the fresh ones, you can make use of these. Here we go. The jar of curry leaves is ready. From these dried leaves, I also make this podi, which we can serve with idlis and dosas. You can see now I have only a spoonful of it left. I'm going to make from some of the curry leaves. you check out the recipe. I've already made this video and posted some time back. I'll share the link, you can make it. Now these 3 versions are ready. One is the dried version, and some podi can be made from the dried version, and the fresh ones that go into the refrigerator. After 1 week I'm showing you how fresh they are still. I've been using them. You can see the freshness, though they are falling apart from the stem, but the leaves are still nice and fresh. I've consumed half of it already. This will still go for 5 or 6 days more. So friends, this is the way I store the curry leaves. I hope you like the tips. Do try them out. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.